How to copy entire message on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Have you ever needed to copy an entire text conversation on your iPhone but didn't know how to? Whether you're saving important messages or sharing a chat or backing up a conversation, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Messages app and then go to the conversation that you want to save. And then just long press on one of the chat bubbles and then go to more option. And then here you'll be able to select the messages. So select it, select all the messages that you want to save, and you will see a arrow like icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and then you can see it appears like this. Now what you can do is long press and then you can just drag down the cursor and then select all of the conversation, and then you'll find the copy option. Tap on it, then you can go ahead and open up the Notes app and then just long press on a blank space, and then you'll find the paste option. Tap on it, and there you go. You can even send it to someone you want to. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.